Hello everyone, welcome back again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Capcut. So as you can see here, I've already opened my Capcut app and then I'm going to add music into my video. So let's just get started. So just click on the video that you want to edit. So as you can see here, this video doesn't have any music or audio and I'm going to edit. So just click on the add audio here and then click on sound, and then as you can see here, you can find many audio or music that is provided by Capcut. There are beat, love, dance, and then travel, fresh, and etc. I'm going to use the healing sound or music. Click on this, and then when you click the category, you can also see there are various music that you can use. So I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to add this one. If you haven't downloaded the music, just click on this first, but if you already download them, just click on the plus icon here. I'm going to add this, and then okay, play. As you can see, the music has been added. You can make some adjustments, so I'm going to crop the sound and then put the position like the fit to fit the video, and then I'm going to crop the music to match the duration of the video. Okay, so just swipe this into until it fits into the duration of the video. Okay, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna play it. Okay, it's done. Okay, so that is how you can add music on Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.